See, I know for a fact we've all experienced this at least once in our lives. Ladies and gentlemen, I personally call this dance the home run. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, it's good to be home. Just so you guys are aware of what you are about to watch, allow me to give you a glimpse inside of the future. I am entering this parking garage.
Yeah. Lux actually got fined because another owner reported them. 500 cars in a 100-car parking lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna go race right now. I thought you guys only started uppers. It's upper and lower.
Yeah,
you're making like twice my power.
After 7 hours of driving and a very much needed bathroom break, this is where it all started. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We literally just got back from NorCal maybe like 30 minutes ago or so, and we're headed out again because we are going to SD for a car meet. You know, I gotta push out that content for you guys, so let's head out. Major shout out to my parents because they gave me this cart actually that they weren't using. They bought it and never used it, so we're gonna maybe unpackage this tomorrow and see if we can kind of organize this. It's kind of like an organized mess right now, but you know, that would actually make it look a little bit better. We are back in the Z. So if you guys remember the last video, if you stayed to the end of the video, we found out that we have an issue with the Z. It's over boosting. So we're taking it out, but we're not gonna hit boost. We're just gonna be very conservative. Feels good to be back in this car though, man. That's really loud. Wait for it. There it is. See, that's what I love about SD. You travel 35 minutes, 35 miles, and it gets you somewhere. NorCal, where I live, where I'm from, you travel 30 minutes, you end up at Modesto. What's in Modesto? Nothing. All right, now we are down the street from the meet. Now here's the thing. I don't know if it's gonna be a good meet or not. We're literally like a minute away. If it's good, hopefully it's good, it's popping, we'll stay. If not, then we'll probably stay for a little bit and then we'll leave. I'm assuming it's gonna be a decent size because it was at one location, but then they moved it to a bigger location. So let's see, it should be right here, it says. I don't know why I'm feeling like a daredevil right now, but I'm entering this parking garage to see if it's in here, because there's cars outside, but I'm just wondering what's in here. Let's see, guys, let's see. Oh shoot, it's actually a good amount of people here. I pulled up and I was like, what the heck, there's not that many people here, but then no sir. You guys see this? See this? Yo, this is kind of sick, not gonna lie. There is a good amount of people here. Oh, I guess it's good that we came. Yep.
What's up, baby?
What's up?
Big ass side with it. Finally pulled up to the meet.
Yes, sir.
Been having this shit 3 years straight. He's lived here 8 months.
I know. I told him I had to pull up. Hopefully there's parking. Honestly, I didn't expect it to be this big. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, I'm pussy?
I'm not. No.
Heard you.
I'm just saying, I don't know. It's because it's a Thursday, you know what I mean? It's not like the weekend.
So it gets like now, I started this 3 years ago to help a business during COVID.
Yeah.
And now it gets like 1,000 shares.
Every time you post it?
Yeah.
Dang, bro, that's pretty sick to be honest with you.
Last week at Lux kind of got out of hand, and that's why one of the business owners called. Well, it didn't get out of hand like action-wise.
Yeah.
It was just 500 cars in a 100-car parking lot.
Dang, it was that big.
It got a little stupid, yeah. So we kind of had to figure it out, and Lux actually got fined because another owner reported them as the meat holder, which they're not. But pause, meat holder's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Hey, go park this thing. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay, for sure. You're gonna be in this area, huh?
Yeah, cool.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So the goal here is to park where I won't be blocked in, and it also sucks too because as I'm driving, I have to stop, and obviously you guys know this clutch is aggressive, so I have to rev a little bit, and we're in a parking structure, so it just echoes, and I don't know. I don't want to draw that type of attention. Because as you know, I don't want to be that guy at the meet that revs, and you know, I just don't want to be that guy. All right, just for reference, which is hilarious because I've actually been here before. For the OGs, like the real OGs. If you guys remember, years ago before we even moved to SoCal, me and Jose threw a meet in San Diego, and it was actually at this parking lot. Which is, it's crazy, I don't know, it's super crazy, but I pulled up, I see these cars, I'm like, oh shoot, like it's not as big, like it's kind of dry, yo. So then I turn right and I'm like, oh shit, I forgot that he said it was at a parking garage. So I go down and that's pretty much where the commotion was at. And we are right in the front. Love it. Not blocked in. Tonight, guys, we are that weirdo with a camera. Pretty sure people are gonna be looking at me funny, but it is what it is. Yo, this is crazy. Okay, chill. You guys know we literally just did a ride along in an Evo 8, and here is one. So this one is, I'm assuming this one's not as crazy as the one that we just did, or the one we just filmed with, I should say, but looks cool though. Homeboy just got a little boo-boo right there, but no major. My ST boys, what do you guys think about this? It's not too bad, actually. The fitment is not bad at all. You got the wide body. Everyone's always telling me to go wide body. I don't know. I'm not really too much of a fan of wide bodies, but I like the wheels. I actually really like the wheels. Look at the interior. Oh my god, an aftermarket steering wheel. That shifter is wild. Aftermarket seats. I think it has an RS conversion too in the front. Not too bad. Not too bad. I love these wheels though, I'm not gonna lie. They're clean. It's the homies AJ's Civic, the one that was talking to us while we were trying to park. It's not just typical Civic though. There's a Pro Charger on it. He actually wanted to race the Z. Apparently he's supposed to be pushing like 500 or something like that. I told him I was down, but obviously this car is gonna win because it's way lighter. Interior looks stock. This one just has an aftermarket steering wheel, aftermarket stereo. Well, literally it looks stock. That's the funny part about it. So obviously this car is front-wheel drive, right? He has no slick in the front, nothing. It's just a regular car. You would never know that it has a Pro Charger on it. Lord, this is a disaster waiting to happen. So if you guys don't know, 370Zs have two latches. One right here, one right there. That side's down, that side's not. You can kind of see it too. Wish I knew whose car this was. I'd save my man's from a disaster, because even though one side's latched, you never know. You never know. I kept looking at this car and I was like, there's something about this car that makes it look really nice. I wonder what. I wonder what it is. These are the same wheels we have on the ST. It's clean. I see you. I see you. I guess the WRX can pull it off. And ladies and gentlemen, it is time to head out. It is about that time of the night. Honestly, it was pretty cool. Obviously bigger than what I expected, but like I said, people come to these meets, I'm noticing, to hang out and chill and like conjugate with one another. So you won't see like freaking show quality builds here. It's more or less like one big hangout. Obviously you'll see clean builds here and there, but it's pretty cool. Got to chop it up with the boy AJ, and it's been a minute since we've actually seen each other, because the last time I saw him was the last time I came to this meet, which was literally like, I think it was when I first kind of sort of moved here. So it's the last time we've seen each other. That sounds wild, like we're in a relationship or something. Alright, we are at the gas station. We're gonna be filling up this car because on Saturday we are going to a Cars and Coffee. I think it's in like Los Angeles County if I'm not mistaken. And we will be driving this car. I do have to leave extremely early because the meet is like 2 hours away. And I do not want to get gas that morning because I know I'm gonna be tired, or I'm probably gonna be running late or something, you know, so rather just do it now. You guys are probably wondering, why are you driving 2 hours to a meet? Well, I don't know, I just want to go, to be honest. And the thing is, even if I don't go to that one, if I find a one that I want to go to on Saturday over that one, at least I'll have gas, you know. Car wasn't empty, so it shouldn't take that much, but gas out here in SoCal is absolutely insane, bro. I remember when E85 was $1.99, now it's $3.55. That is absolutely insane. I don't even know how much the price is for like regular gas in SoCal, guys. It's $6. Now I know somewhere, probably like in LA or Hollywood, downtown LA or something, is gonna be like $7, but that is insane. I don't know when gas prices are gonna go down, but it needs to go down quick, because your man's over here, like literally my biggest bill is gas, because I drive so much, like I drive everywhere. My biggest bill is gas. It's not that bad, but car wasn't even on empty, dog. It's like half a tank, somewhere around there. Cool thing about E85 stations is it always brings the coolest cars out. Always brings out the coolest cars. Before we pulled up, the Supra was actually here. It's funny too, because there's a guy that works in there, and he just sits by the window and looks at everything. This car looks so good underneath the gas station lighting though, man. Never gets old. The heck?
I'm literally,
I did not expect to run into. To provide a little bit of context, we randomly met this same guy at this very gas station a couple months ago. We ended up talking and chatting about both of our cars, which led to a fun run. Well, fast forward to tonight, we randomly met at the same gas station at 10 at night. I'm assuming you're on your way out of town, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna go race right now.
No way.
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's a money bet, huh? Money run? Yeah. It looks good though still.
Yeah, I'm gutted to the max.
Oh, so you have no interior inside?
Yeah.
No way.
Check it out. Oh, open it.
Let's see. Oh, this side's locked. Yeah, it's locked. So the driver's side has no seat, no back seat. Do you feel the difference? Like a huge difference? Yeah? Dang. He then invited us to his extracurricular activity, and I was like, what the heck, why not? Let's go. It's good content, right? It's kind of funny how I got into this, but we are currently in Corona right now. We have a CTS-V. We got the V3, so this comes with the LT4 motor, I believe, supercharged from the factory. And there's a racing at M3 right over there. Kind of interesting. I never seen one of these done as far as like a money race.
Yeah, so this was pretty much saying that if you slow down and run, I mean,
you're just making sure that there's like no extra mods that he's not claiming, or what?
Yeah, just making sure what he says is what you have. If not, then
because what he's claiming, what it's an upper pulley, lower pulley.
He says it's full bolts on.
Hey man, it's on the tire, so it has to be fast, right? Is that the rule? It's on a tire, it's fast. Sheesh.
stock?
Just get the 3 cars on the go. I thought you guys only started with uppers. It's upper and lower.
Yeah,
you're making like twice my power.
I thought it was on the upper way. Yeah, it's upper and lower.
No, that's not fair. Yeah, that's not fair at all, bro.
That shit was on the upper.
Evan, bro. Nah, hell no. I have a homie that has one. He has upper and lower. He busts me. That's why I asked to confirm if it's upper and lower. Clearly see it's upper and lower.
I know,
clearly see the fucking. I was looking at it. I was like, dude, that's not an apple.
Wait, so what? So with everything has done, how much power is that? Like 700?
Like
750 to fucking 800.
So
those shits are fast. The CTS-V, those shits are not slow.
Yeah, that's why when we
they
have the
make
gas
a little more than a Hellcat, like in a way. They make a lot of torque.
They are fast. I'll buy them for the takeovers.
That's not even fair, bro. Even if it gives me like, I may be locked in if it gives me like fucking 2 cars in the go. That shit's fucked, dude. I'm telling you, bro, those shits move out. Even just upper, they move out.
I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty clean. It is clean. I'm not gonna lie, but it is unfortunate that he did not tell the truth. So basically what's going on is obviously that one lied, right? So upper and lower pulley, full bolt-ons. We're thinking that it's cam. It's just the valve's closed, so you can't really hear it. And we're speculating that it's like 800, 850, 900 horsepower. So right now they're trying to see if they can race this Trackhawk from a dig, which is cheating because obviously it's all-wheel drive. He's rear-wheel drive. And he decided to not do it. Wow, what an interesting night. Yeah, that's crazy. You see, some would call tonight a waste of time, but I think we all learned a valuable lesson here. Leave them CTS-Vs alone if it's full bolt-ons with an upper pulley and a lower pulley. Simple.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you